I did relationship counseling certification course from ICHARS, and it was a very wonderful course. I really liked. Like, since I entered this field of psychology, I always wanted to explore this area, and I would really like to thank ICHARS and Misbah ma'am and Mamta ma'am for putting forward such a wonderful way of understanding this concept. Like, till date, I know each and everything that we did in the certification course. It was really wonderful, and the new techniques that was taught to us was just amazing. Like, really, I enjoyed the course. Thank you so much for this opportunity. The techniques based to like, I would like to specify the techniques that was taught to us was just amazing. Like, I could practically apply, not in the relationship factor only, in other areas also. Like, it was just very well, like, very well structured
Perfect.
course.
Brilliant.
Like,
Thank you.
thank you, sir.
Relationship workshop with you guys. And as I always say, that I am addicted to you people. Whatever I do with you, it works wonder for me. And I really enjoy the techniques, easy techniques I learned from you guys, and I can easily apply in my sessions. And when I see results, I just say wow. And I'm so grateful for you guys for being there, whether during your sessions, during your workshops, or without workshops, on a phone call. You people are always there. I know Nitin and Misbah and Mamta are there to help me, to guide me forever in my life. Thank you so much for being there.
Sena, and I did the relationship counseling workshop with Mamta ma'am and Isma ma'am. And it was an amazing workshop. It opened lots of, um it was very educative, very informative, very structured, had a very nice flow of knowledge. And it gave a very clear idea of how relationships can have problems and then which ways we can sort them out also. So I'm very glad that I got to do this workshop with Mamta ma'am and Misma ma'am. And I don't know where those 2 days went. I think it went very quickly. Thank you so much, ma'am.